In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find the meeting ID in Microsoft Teams. Whether you're joining a meeting for the first time or looking to share the information with a colleague, knowing how to locate the meeting ID can be crucial. We'll cover 3 straightforward ways to find it before the meeting, from an invitation, and during a live session. So let's dive in and simplify your team's experience. First, let's walk through how to find the meeting ID from the Teams calendar before your meeting even starts. Begin by opening your Teams app. Once you're in, look towards the left side and click on the calendar icon. This will display all your scheduled meetings. Now select the meeting for which you want the ID. Once you've clicked on the specific meeting, a window with the meeting details will appear. Here, you'll find the meeting link, and the meeting ID is typically embedded right within that link or displayed separately just below it. This is a handy method when you're planning ahead and need to share details with others. Now let's move on to finding the meeting ID through a meeting invite. This applies if you've received the meeting details via Outlook or an email. First, locate and open the invite email that you received for the meeting. As you scroll through the email, pay attention to the section that lists meeting details. Here, you'll typically see a line that reads Meeting ID, followed by a series of numbers, such as 123456789. If needed, the email might also provide a passcode for added security, which may look something like passcode ABC123. Having the invite handy makes it easy to access and share this information. Finally, we'll explore how to find the meeting ID during a live meeting. This can be particularly useful if a colleague needs to join in after the meeting has commenced. While in the meeting, direct your attention to the toolbar and click on the More Actions icon, which is represented by an ellipsis or 3 dots. From the drop-down menu, choose Meeting Info. Once selected, a sidebar panel will pop up displaying both the meeting ID and, if required, the passcode. Not only does this allow you to view the details, but you can also easily copy this information to your clipboard, which makes sharing a breeze should anyone else need to join mid-session. With these 3 methods, finding a meeting ID in Microsoft Teams should now be clear and easy. Whether you're checking in advance, referencing an invite, or figuring it out in the middle of a meeting, you now have the knowledge and tools needed to access that all-important meeting ID. Enjoy your team's meetings with confidence, and feel free to refer back to this guide anytime you need a quick